Hello friends, welcome to my channel Ganitashi Maitri. We are solving some examples that are asked in UPSC IAS Prelims 2019. So, if every alternative letter of English alphabet from B onwards, including B, is written in lowercase, that is small letters, and the remaining letters are capitalized, then how is the first month of second half of the year written? Now here it is said that every alternate letter starting from B is written in small case. So we will start writing like this. B is small, C capital, D small, E capital, F small, G capital, and so on up to Z. And second it said that how is first month of second half of the year written. So first half of the year from January to May, 6 months are completed. January, February, March, April, May, June, 6 months are completed. And first month of second half of the year means July to December. July, August, September, October, November, December. These are 6 months. So this is second half. And first month of second half is nothing but July. July is first month of second half of the year. Now how to decode July? Now I will tell you one short trick. We should know HOT. HOT means 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. This is short trick. If we remember HOT is equal to 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, then we can easily write the numbers for all the alphabets in English language from 1 to 26. So here first of all July, B onwards, B is written small, B letter is second letter, C is third, D is fourth, E is fifth, F is sixth, G is seventh. If we observe, then every even letter means 2, 4, 6 is written in small case, and every odd number, that is 3, 5, 7 are written in capital. This is our observation. Now we will check what are the codes for July. JULY. For J, the code is 10. For U, PQRSTU. So U will be 21. JU. For J, for U. For L, the code is JKL. 10, 11, 12. So L is 12. Y, 25. From HOT we can easily find what are the numbers for alphabets. Then we have inference that 2, 4, 6, that is every even number is written in small letters, every odd number is written in capital letters. So here J is even number, J10, U21, L12, and Y is 25. Then here every small letter means even number. So this J will be denoted as small case, small j. U is odd number, will be denoted in capital letters. L is even number, will be denoted as small l. Y is odd number, it will be denoted as capital Y. So our coding will be J, capital U, small l, capital Y. So J, capital U, small l, capital Y. So answer will be J, capital U, small l, capital Y. Option D is our right answer for this question. Then the next question is, in the sequence of 157, 357, 4357, how many such 5s are there which are not immediately preceded by 3 but are immediately followed by 7? So such 5s are asked here. How many such 5s are present in this sequence which are not preceded by 3? Means the number which is coming immediately backside of the 5 is not 3, but are immediately followed by 7, means the immediately next number from 5 is 7. So such combinations we have to find out. So first of all we will mark how many 5s are present here. So this is 1, this is 5, this is 5 and this is 5. Now we will check how many 5s are satisfying our case. So in case of this 1 5 7, it is not 3, so this is right. 3 5 7, it is not satisfying our case because this 5 is preceded by 3, so this is not possibility. Also this is not possibility because this 5 is also preceded by 3, so only one possibility is there. So total ones only. 5 is immediately preceded, not immediately preceded by 3 but are immediately followed by 7. Total 1 such 5s are present here. Now the next question is, Sunita cuts a sheet of paper into 3 pieces. Suppose this is paper. Sunita cuts this into 3 pieces. So suppose she is applying cut here and here. So it will be divided into 3 pieces. Let the length of that pieces be x, y and z. X, y and z are the 3 pieces. Then it is said that length of first piece is equal to average of 3 single digit odd prime numbers. Length of first piece is x. X is equal to average of 3 single digit odd prime numbers. Our prime numbers are single digit numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7. But here mentioned that odd prime numbers. 2 is not odd, 2 is even. So 2 cannot be there. So 3, 5 and 7 are odd prime numbers, single digit. So it is the average of 3 plus 5 plus 7. 3 plus 5 8, 8 plus 7 15, 15 by 3 is 5. So value for x is equal to 5. Now said that length of second piece means y is equal to that of first, x plus 1/3 of the third. The length of third piece is z. So y is equal to x plus z by 3. But x is already known to us 5. So y is equal to 5 plus z upon 3. This will be our equation 1. And third piece is as long as the other 2 pieces together. So z is equal to x plus y is our equation 2. Now from equation 1 and equation 2, if we put equation 1 in equation 2, we will get z is equal to x plus, put this equation 1 in equation 2, we will get z is equal to x plus 5 plus z by 3. But value of x is known, that is 5. So 5 plus 5 is 10 plus z by 3 is equal to z. Now z minus z by 3 is 2z by 3 equal to 10 and z is equal to 15. So we got z is equal to 15. And to find y is nothing but 5 plus z by 3. Z is 15. 15 by 3 5. Y is equal to 5 plus 5. So y is equal to 10. X is equal to 5. Y is equal to 10. Z is equal to 15. Now it is asked that the length of original sheet of paper is what? Length of original sheet of paper will be x plus y plus z equal to 5 plus 10 plus 15. So it will be 30 meters. 30 units, sorry, here meter is not given, 30 units. So option D is right answer. Next question is, a family has 2 children along with their parents. Family has 2 children along with their parents. The average weight of children and their mother is 50 kg. Now we will continue this question in our next video.